In the 2 years since the outbreak of COVID-19, Americans have faced an unprecedented loss of life, impacting almost everyone in very personal ways. Beyond the tragic loss of life and illness, leading sociologists said COVID-19 changed our world in many unexpected ways. While many Americans shifted to working from home, frontline workers showed up in person to make sure our essential needs were taken care of.
Especially in the early stages of the pandemic, there was an increased awareness of the importance of frontline workers, not just medical workers, but also other people who were on the front line in grocery stores and doing delivery work. And that increased appreciation.
Frontline workers were hailed as heroes, often risking their own health for minimal pay. Work from home was new to many, but soon most Americans embraced it.
A lot of people reevaluated their relationship with work and how much time and how much of their lives they're willing to spend on pursuing their career or working long hours as opposed to enjoying life. And by that same token, a lot of people used the pandemic and the lockdowns as a way of reconnecting with family members and with friends and taking time out to reestablish social connections with people that were meaningful to them.
As in-person activities were canceled, our social interactions became virtual.
Cultural activity went online during the pandemic and allowed people to experience art and be with each other in a time that otherwise they might not have been able to.
Technological advances allowed us to interact online in ways never imagined. From virtual meetings to online concerts, the way in which we connect with each other will never be the same.
I think that one thing that the pandemic shows us is that mental health is not necessarily solely an individual issue, and that it's something that is best addressed in community and through social connection.
During the pandemic, the topic of mental health was pushed to the forefront. Some employers prioritized the mental health of employees, promoting wider access to therapy and other resources. With many Americans isolating, an estimated 23 million opted to add four-legged friends to the family. The American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals reported 1 in 5 American households adopted or fostered a pet. As things slowly return to normal, many of these families plan on keeping their pet.